Bowinya cia muthaki Victor Omune na igere cia Cliff Nyakea ni ciotithirie Ingwe kwandikithio hotani uyu na uria no wa mugwanja kimera-ini giki coach wa kirabu giki akionania gikeno giake thutha imwe na ciake koga kwambia wega kimera-ini giki.
I'm very happy for today's performance. Apart from just scoring six goals, we played well. We kept the ball, the possession was good. The boys, I think they enjoyed the game, and that's the most important thing. That's the way we want to play always.
Kumana na kuhotwo ngucanio ya umuthi, FC Talanta marugamire namba 13, coach wa kirabu giki Ken Kenyatta akionania mathugota make kumana na maumirira ma umuthi.
I've got to explain what happens, because one, we don't have a field for training. Two, we have never been paid for a whole year. Three, recruitment is a very big problem, you get. So there is no player you can convince to come and join FC Talanta when they don't pay. So it becomes a little bit tricky for somebody like me to coach a team which is not being well taken care of. The team is in my hands.
Ngucanio ingi ya muthia muthunguko wa 15 yuma gatagati ga Posta Rangers magicemania na kirabu kia Wazito na aria maumire kabati ya bao 1-1 na gutiga irabu ici ciere cirenja irabu 10 njega murugamo-ini wa ligi ino. Kugena kuone ati kirabu gia Kameme Homeboys nigitigithitie John Baraza wira ta nyabara wa kirabu giki undu umwe na munini wake Paul Okidi. Nimerie na tu thutha wa kuheo gibarua ya kunora imwana ici na riu Edward Manoa na John Wao nio mekuoya matamu ma gutongoria kirabu giki gwa kahinda. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, letwa riakwa ni Ng'ang'a wa Nyukabi.